Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer build artifacts and caches to speed up migration. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by identifying the build artifacts and caches relevant to your project. Locate the directory where your build artifacts are stored. Common locations include build folders, output directories, and temporary directories. Create a backup of your current artifacts and caches for safety. Choose the destination environment where you plan to transfer your build artifacts. This could be a new server, a cloud storage service, or a different project environment. Ensure that the destination has adequate storage capacity and permissions. Use compression tools to zip your artifacts and caches, reducing transfer time. You may use formats like zip or tar for effective compression. Once compressed, initiate the transfer process to the destination environment. You can use secure copy protocols like SCP or SFTP for this task. Alternatively, you may opt for Cloud Sync tools if transferring to cloud storage. After the files have been transferred, navigate to the destination directory. Extract the compressed files to restore your build artifacts and caches. Verify the integrity of the transferred files by checking file sizes and checksums. Update your build configuration to point to the new locations of your artifacts. Run a test build in the new environment to ensure everything works correctly. Monitor the build process closely for any errors or missing dependencies. Make adjustments as necessary based on any issues encountered during the test. Document the migration process for future reference, noting any challenges faced. Regularly maintain the transferred caches and artifacts to keep them up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.